Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and access. Back up iCloud to an external drive or another account and export contacts and photos. Once done, make sure you sign out of iMessage, FaceTime, and any devices using this Apple ID to avoid activation lock. You'll also need two-factor authentication access or trusted device codes and any device serial numbers for verification. Start the account deletion request from Privacy. Apple.com while signed in. This initiates a recorded process and gives you a unique access code. Next, submit the deletion request and follow the on-screen verification steps. Confirm your identity with trusted device codes or a recovery key and read what data will be removed. Once you confirm, copy and securely store the access code Apple provides. This lets you check status or cancel. Make sure you revoke app-specific passwords and sign out of subscriptions to avoid billing issues. After submission, expect a short verification period. Apple may contact you to confirm intent before finalizing removal. After receiving confirmation that the old Apple ID is deleted, you can create your new Apple ID. Use AppleID. Apple.com or device setup, choose a fresh email if the old one isn't available, and enable two-factor authentication immediately. Then restore data from your backups and resubscribe to needed services. Reconfigure iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime on each device. If something goes wrong, like unable to verify deletion, use the stored access code to contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.